giant of volcanoes. How would you describe a volcano? Can you think of 3 adjectives that best describe a volcano? My 3 adjectives that best describe a volcano are majestic, monstrous, menacing. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, let's get our hands dirty with lemon volcanoes. These are the materials that we need for our first activity. To my fellow young Elans, be sure to have an adult beside you to guide and help throughout the experiments. Cut the top and bottom parts of the lemons. Use a butter knife and spoon to break up the inside of the lemons. Add a few drops of lemon extract. Add a few drops of food coloring to the lemons. Some dish soap. Pour some baking soda on top of the lemons. Add some more lemon extract. Use a butter knife to mix the baking soda inside the lemons. What is a volcano? A volcano is a mountain that opens downward to a pool of molten rock below the surface of the earth. In 2018, we saw the magnificent view of Tao Volcano from the Skyland Theme Park in Tagaytay City, Cavite, Philippines. Trivia time! Can you name the country with the highest number of active volcanoes? Indonesia! 76 active volcanoes. Let's make it easy to do it yourself volcano. These are the materials that we need. Time to make a volcano using brown paper, a pair of scissors, plastic container, and scotch tape. Fold the paper into a cone shape. Use the tape to hold the cone. Insert the plastic container into the cone. Cut the tip in the base of your cone. Now we have a volcano. Let's make some baking soda and vinegar lava. Pour the vinegar inside the volcano using a funnel. Put a few drops of red food coloring. Put the baking soda in the volcano. Watch our lava flow. Things to remember. Volcanoes are destructive and dangerous, but they play a very important role in the development of life on our planet. Volcanoes contribute to land formation, soil enrichment, cooling of the atmosphere, water production, geothermal energy, and tourism. Hope you had a blast with my science experiments. Bye for now and see you next time.